All right, good morning, everyone. Today is Cancer Awareness Month day. I think it's a day. So they asked us to come in with a little pink. I always have my pin because I have an aunt who passed away from breast cancer. I have a cousin who also died from breast cancer, and so we support, and so make sure that we all had a grand rising today and that the day is going well so far. Remember to get your fluids in, get your water in. Can't go wrong with your plain water. This morning I made ginger root tea. Haven't had anything yet. It's now almost 10. So I'm going to have some tea in a little bit and then jump around to get some things done. Because my extra coverage today, I have a class to cover. And just going with it, just going with it. So again, on Wednesday, tomorrow night at 7, I'm hoping to go live. I posted it already. I have it scheduled. So I'm trying to get into that momentum now. I think I've grown enough to get there and make it be consistent. I will be doing a short video because I need to talk to my members only. Something is on my mind and I need to just share with you guys and to hear what your thoughts are before I move forward. So I will send a quick video for you members. Please look out for that at some time today. Today is our long day. So just make it a good one. Keep your chins up. Stay focused. Support somebody. Again, it doesn't have to be monetary. It can be just a positive word. Something to kind of take them from the stress and give them a moment of positives so that they can have a feel-good moment. Again, I did post the story of the man, the people who did some research or some kind of a survey to kind of find out why people commit suicides. And one of the things that he shared was a note that they found when they went to one of the persons who had jumped off a bridge that day. And he said when they went in, there was a note left, and the note says, if anybody just says hello to him that morning as he walks down to the bridge, he would change his mind from taking his own life. So we know what the answer is to that people don't find time anymore. We're so busy, hustling, bustling.
Oh, she's not. Oh, okay. I thought you had some class. Oh, goodness. I'm bringing somebody. How are you this morning?
Good morning, sir.
I want you to meet Dr. Inga. I want you to meet Miss Selma Black.
Guys, all right, so take care of yourselves. Remember, say hello to somebody. Hi, Dr. Inga.
Nice to meet you.
Yes,
this is Selma Black. She's another one of our
Nice to meet you.
stars in here.
Oh my
I
God.
like the space. Nice.
Thank you.
You feel in here.
I know. I love this.
Oh my God. Thank you, Dr. Inga, for dropping by.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Neil. My principal, Dr. Inga, is the head of the science department. All right, guys, so you see how life is. If I was lying to you about how these people feel about my work, you see how this just happened, like right in my video. So you hear it yourselves that I do work hard and I do like what I do, and it shows. So feel good moment. So as I was saying, guys, just say hello to somebody. Just lift somebody up. As I said, it doesn't have to be monetary. A lot of us will do well with just somebody telling somebody, I'm proud of you. I appreciate you. Right? Just say it, guys. It doesn't cost a thing. These blessings are priceless. God bless you for what you did for me. God bless you for thinking about me. Use those words, guys. They are so free, but they're worth millions without the $1 million. Make it a great day by choice.